Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. We are showing you today a 7260 liquid honing machine, originally built by Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. And today this machine is an absolute animal right here in front of us. This is a big, massive workhorse. This machine specifically is not the standard height of a 7260. This one has also an additional 2-foot height extension on it for an aerospace company here in the US. And this 7260 is also replacing a machine that is over 40 years old, but still running today. So these machines have been proven time and time again in some of the most stringent operating conditions, some of the highest level industrial manufacturing companies in the world today. And this one will also be finding its new home in a top of the line aerospace facility. One of the things that I want to point out about these machines is they're a completely 100% made in America product, with all of the castings being cast in this country, all of the machining for those castings being done here, and of course us fabricating and assembling this entire cabinet here in Lincoln, North Carolina. We're super proud and excited to be offering this to you, those customers looking for the highest quality in the world, and of course companies looking for the best. This company, Vapor Blast, engineered these products in they started company in 1941, so they've been engineering and manufacturing over 84 years. Put that into perspective. And it is a proven, built over time product that is built to last forever. And again, this machine will be in service for an additional 40 years on top of the one it's been replacing. So these machines are truly a buy once, cry once product. They're gonna last you an entire lifetime. This unit here is a 2-person operator as well as the 7272 we've shown you. This one has been optionally fitted with a vertical sliding door that is pneumatically driven. Again, it is a 2-person operator, which means this machine is fitted with our 1.5-inch pump. Our 1.5-inch pump is an absolute animal. This pump alone weighs 160 some pounds of American steel. And so if you can imagine 160 pounds of American steel, that's just the pump. So these machines weigh thousands of pounds. And for that reason, they're built to last. That's why they weigh so much. That's why they cost so much. These are not cheap products. If you're looking for a cheap product, this is not your option. This is your product. Again, you buy it once and you're done, and you're good for another 40 years. So one of the things though that you're gonna see here, you're gonna see windshield wipers. Those are standard. Window rinses are standard. And also on these Vapor Blast cabinets, we have standard is the exhaust system. The exhaust system is phenomenal for these types of work chambers because you obviously have 2 guns blasting. That creates a lot of mist. That mist needs to be evacuated so that you can see. On these machines, one of the revisions we've done here at Vapor Honing Technologies, we've put your switches up here for the operator to use. These are at ergonomical work heights for the user. And of course, you've got blasting pressure adjustments on these machines. Over here, you're gonna see the knobs for the vertical door. So up and down, and of course, all of your warning labels on the product. Super excited to present this. If you guys have questions on a product like this, call or email our sales team. They're always here and happy to help. But moving forward, we're gonna show you a few walk around pictures of this product, and you guys can make that decision yourself how amazing this is. But again, what you're gonna see is a hinge door on this cabinet and a vertical door. As always, guys, thanks for watching.